got a car. It's my first time to come to this beach. See, people are dressing up.
Just do your greatest like hoedown impersonation.
Yo, give it one more time. Give it up for the Roxy Rollers, y'all.
Swing your partner round and round.
That's funny. Hi, I like your outfit. Do you mind if I take picture? Yeah. So it's a film camera, so. Okay, here. One, and let's see, 1, 2, 3. All good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I try? I like the way, turning this bitch. We're gonna go a quarter, and another. I turn it out. Front, step, back, right fine. Turn it out. And we go round, stay this way. Take it forward. Now the next part we go groove, pivot, turn, we go saucy hip. And take it down, repeat from the top. One.
Happy to see you guys showed up for this one. Y'all showing up. We get to do it on the beach. That was an incredible toss. I'll pat myself on the back. This one's called Feature. Sing it with your man. Let's go. The spot I always go to. It ain't no coincidence. We both got some questions.
My favorite part. Peel off. It's a little bit heavy compared to the another model that I want to get. That one, you can take the tiny camera out and then stick on your like clothes or cap, but for camera or like for photography, I feel like this one have better performance on the nighttime, like that improve environment, and then also they come with 2 extra battery. Another one that I want to, the Go Ultra, that one doesn't come with extra battery because you have to charge it inside of the body. So there's no external battery that you can do. But the thing is, they can still do the memory card in here, the tiny one. But I also get this one with discount. But this is for camera. For this one, it will be like something smaller. Here is smaller. This one is 128 gig. I got it online, so this one can work in here, and then you can charge your body in here and put it back. And here's the microphone they put like it's built in, so that's why I was like, oh, I thought it's an external mic, but I guess this is it. They have like a cover, looks cool, and then the button in here. Other button I haven't studied yet. I have to peel it off again. I have to do it both hand on the button, then I can open it. Oh, then it's secure then. Now I can open it with my single hand, with my both hand. So like this, and you can do the clip, so you can see your face on the screen. It's not tiny, you know, like the size to me is fine. So let's see how it goes. Today I will bring it with me to the music festival. I think this is very good for like people like outdoor. They like to go like music or swimming or like hiking, travel. It's good enough. It's 8K actually. I don't need 8K, but 4K should be enough. But yeah, the better is better. And then this model is quite new. Here's the power button, and then here's how they open on the side. So here's like charging, and then here's how you open and then take the battery out. Battery, second battery they gave, and then the mounting, so you can use it on for the here. Looks like it, right? Oh, maybe this one you can remove it, so you can do a better recording. Like here, this one, and then you can switch it to the normal one.